So this is Sleepy Sam trying to remind herself that she's still a vlogger. It may be Ramadan. We got some work to do at the farm, so this morning we are headed out to go do farm work as usual. We got so much beautiful rain. I'm sure you guys saw in a couple vlogs ago. So we're gonna try to go to the farm. It's really hard because the road's not so accessible because it's all muddy. If we have to walk, we're gonna do it because we need to go see what's going on at the farm. We also soaked some cilantro. Big tip from one of our subscribers who commented, thank you if you're watching. So we prepared another batch of cilantro and we're gonna go plant it now. Join us. So these are soaked right now. Oh yeah, I can feel it. Oh wow, you went right in. Can you imagine, guys? $1 can turn into 10. Mashallah. Okay. We'll see how long this fasting energy goes. So new hack of mine, tea and coffee at 4 in the morning, and then you're buzzed at least until 9 o'clock. That's my hack right now. This is not coffee, obviously, still fasting, but it's for our nursery. We got a few little goodies that we'll be planting in here, inshallah. So let's hit the road. Windows open. Whoop. And that's why you can't have black cars. No one's gonna notice those tires, those scratches. Which one is it? Okay. Ah, why don't they come here? There's grass. So lahmaha. Lahmaha. Beautiful. Enjoy the scenery, guys. They're freshly rained on, grazing. Kana maberna. Another favorite farm terminology. Nice. They are ready for their season. Mashallah. We like ready people. I feel like the coolest berale when I use all my terms, guys. They didn't prepare their planes. Look at all this. You want me to check the barkid or the deen? There's a whole turtle here, guys. I gotta show you. I love the turtles. But you want me to check the barkid? my mom is leaving. Gotta go check the barket. Gotta go check the barket. We're excited because our barket. Oh, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Enough said. Enough said. إلهي وحكوري. Welcome to I hope that sticks with you guys because it can be used for so many things, not just the rain. It's just like the tie your camel, you know, we just made our own version. All right, we're almost at our barket and we're so happy, inshallah. So excited to start farming. Mom's kicking it into high gear. High gear Somaliland. Ha daf. Daf. Wow, daf. I might do an episode for you guys about like Somali hand gestures that just mean a lot. Anyway, what the f. You wanna get off? Actually, we've seen so eventful before you even get to the farm. There's so much going on. There's they're not using a tractor. We thought we were gonna get a tractor. They're using an actual cow to sow. Is it called sow or is it just, I don't know the English words, but وحوي تكرم على ماما. We're gonna ask what it's called to do this job. I've never seen this like up close. Mom and I have watched it endlessly on TV. Like in India, they do it this way.
sisinta cagafteena ku silcino halka timaada taala ay bal qodda way imanaysa dheedan biyo.
Whoa, that little bit of sun just fried me. هيا عادتها سنكش قلنا ماما. It's even worse. It's like a sauna. ها.
already sit either but he said one day. Asu usar sare bahash ciida soo dukurubiya. Qofka ku dhacay buug soo.
Good.
That's how they used to farm before tractor and machines. Now they back to the old-fashioned way.
Manual way.
Because tractor come imanayo is too muddy truck to come in.
Yeah, we barely found our way in.
And he doesn't want to miss the rain, so he's using his
cows, bulls,
to do the job.
Yeah.
On this side.
Every corner the water came in. All right, my mom, the water manager, she's gonna run and tell us a bunch of things about where the water came from. Time to get to work. Inshallah. Here's all the water trails. There's one from there. So there's 2 points that they came in, all to pour into our beautiful barket. There it is. Very dirty. Looks like one of those take your shoes off kind of farm day. So we have a bunch of onions also at the back that we have moved outside. Let me show you. The onions are looking really good. They have been in nursery for so long. They're probably ready to go into some solid soil. Sashino corn. Sufi عمرو بحنبة.
Sufi حنبة sufi.
مركا أنت واد فوتشي صو.
أنت سوام بيري.
صح. ونانك.
بده.
Hi. Go check out where they have their new homes. Then we're gonna start a big, you know the drill, cilantro all over again. Awesome. So there's obvious transplant shock, but they can survive. Onions are real big survivors. Oh, you know what's really cool? There's green peppers that also came back to life. Peppers never die. They're the best things ever. I remember I met a farmer in Somaliland. Actually, he's from Taiwan, but he was farming in Somaliland. And he was so happy to tell me about peppers because he's like, peppers are easy. They just go to sleep and they wake back up. And I was like, true that. Peppers are brilliant. So inshallah, we will have a lot of peppers going here and onions. 3 rows so far. That's a lot, actually. It's funny because when they were small in the nursery, they didn't look like much, to be honest. Now they're looking good. MashaAllah. At that, coming back to life. Oh. And the orchard back here is doing lovely. Amazing. So much new growth. OMG. Look at this. All I smelled was something so intense, and I look up and this. Beauty. MashaAllah. Oh, there's more. It's not just that one. Oh, this is amazing. This is so exciting. Like, I need to show you this tree. I'm usually running away from bugs, but right now I'm zooming in, guys. Zoom. I have no idea. I feel like I'm walking through a fragrance shop right now. It smells so good. Dior who? Natural lemon trees. Like, I'm gonna take this one home. So good. I'm not even afraid of bugs today, apparently, guys. Mashallah. Back to work. Okay, I gotta go plant some cilantro. Our favorite crash crop. Mom's back there with the locals. She is figuring out the water trails. I told you, I can't catch Mom when she gets to the farm and she heard that there's water. She's looking at like every inlet to make sure that not a single drop goes wasted. Inshallah. But I should stop chatting so much on the vlog and go to work. Small struggle with working during Ramadan because you have energy in the morning, so you want to get up and go do stuff. But it's also the hottest time of day to be working right now. But it's the only time we have energy. After 1 o'clock, oh, we're dead. No one's talking to no one. And then you start cooking at 3 o'clock. Yeah, the Ramadan routine, I don't know, we're on like day 6, I think it is now. And the exhaustion is real. But alhamdulillah, it's a really blessed month. We love it. We love it so much. It's just time management. It's not even time management. It's trying to figure out when to sleep between prayers and farm work, and you know, alhamdulillah, Allah gave us Ramadan. Okay. Ha, godad ki wat samaysay? Ana waan ku gurguri markaa. Inshallah, hay. Sidii berigii un. Hadda inoo sheegi. عيدها كوبادنا
خفيفة
سما
سما تكلمها
what ases is, no?
So I am on the asin duty, burying. Mom is on the seeding duty. And our guy Abdi is on the making the lines. Getting really lightheaded now. Okay, we got the last line. I'm ready to give up. We did 1 and 2. This is number 3.
Ma fiicna miyaa liiga? Laa u digay. Markaad dhulka u yaambeyso.
Iyar.
Ha diga sidaa ugu shub. Ku yaambee markaad ku taagtaag.
Hay. Reerka maa ku soo orday.
Hay. Let's go.
Yo, it's hot. It is hot. Alhamdulillah. Okay. See, this is the lot of footprints right here.
beribu barkad dib ku dhaco. Ku
Well, that's it for our farm day. I'm gonna take the longest nap ever. I hope you guys liked the episode. See you guys in the next one. Bye.